Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company, as well as an SEO expert. Today, I'm here with another case study regarding Google Merchant Center account, which was suspended for misrepresentation. And the interesting thing with the account, which was suspended for misrepresentation, was that there was a notification being shown that the your Google Ads account has issues, which is why your account cannot be restored. Let me show you guys well, and so you guys have an idea. Okay, so this was when moving to the products, you can see that your issues with your ad account, the Wayfarer sends, your account is suspended. Your account doesn't comply with our Google Ads terms and condition. Okay, the thing is that let me show you the account. The account is no more suspended. The account has approved products, and if I show you to the ad campaigns, and if I show you to the account of Google Ads is still suspended. You can see link to Google Ads, and if I show you the Google Ads, the customer ID 271, and if I open the customer ID in front of you guys, you can see that the account is still suspended. You can see over here that your account doesn't comply with our terms, Google Ads terms and conditions. Okay, so I'm trying to show you here is an interesting thing that that the account uh, is not still approved, and but we were able to get our merchant center account restored. So for those people who say that both are linked each other, no. Yeah, the support team do says that you need to get your Google Ads account restored first, or if you are working with Google Ads, they are gonna say that first restore your merchant account center, then we are gonna restore your Google Ads account. Both are separate and different departments, and we can help in restoring both your Google Ads, GMC, Facebook ads. We can even help you in SEO, optimizing and managing campaign. So this is a successful case study. Now, what we did, I'm going to show you on what we did, what the changes we did, and how we were able to cope with those changes. Okay, so this was their client, website. The first thing first, when they were trying to do business with us, we asked that we are specifically do not work, in those niches where there is a replica or counterfeit products. We do not work because it was a scent industry, perfumes industry, and we were highly concerned regarding this. So we discussed with them, and they, assured us that no, we are not doing any replica stuff. Then, we did our website audit. We have around 70 steps checklist to ensure that there is no issues on your website regarding to Google Merchant Center. Now, Google Merchant Center has over the time become very strict in approving new accounts, and this was very tough. We did a 70 steps checklist to ensure that the website is passing all the standards. We had few issues, and we suggested the client, and we even do the changes on the client on behalf of the client on their website. There are several scenarios where either we do the changes or the client him or herself do the changes. So we did the changes on behalf of the client, and I'm glad that we were able to get it approved. We did everything. Google is very concerned, like if there is any payment issues, if like you're showing any payment and you actually do not have that payment acceptability while you check it process, your account may not be approved. If you have any country currency issues, if you are offering discounts on second or third product but not on the first, and while doing the checkout, if there is an error in the second or third product, your GMC may be suspended. Google is very concerned. Google has a very advanced system, and like so far we have got hundreds of accounts restored, and we can say with the confidence that yeah, it takes time, patience, and the data of all clients. We also do the comparison with approved websites to ensure that your website complies. Then we discuss with the Google support. Because we are a Google partner company, we get a manual support. We discuss with them regarding the issues, and then I'm glad that we are able to get it restored. So in case if you need restoration services of Google Merchant Center, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or in case of any SEO error or issue or web development needs, you can hire me and my team. All you have to do is to click on the link in the description to get started with us. And in case if you like this video, make sure to like and share this video, and do subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that whenever I get a new video, you guys get a notification regarding. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.